If you're wondering how to clean the filter on your Dyson hairdryer, it's really easy to do. If you have a look at the bottom here, you have this little red dot here, and we have a circle filled in and an empty circle as well. If you move the red dot to the empty circle, it will allow you to pull away the filter. So just moving it counterclockwise, and then it allows you to pull it down. You can then get yourself an old toothbrush or any brush or cloth and just go all the way around, wiping off all the dust from it. So this is where it sucks the air in from, so you will find that it will fill with dust. Once you're happy with the cleanliness there, you can actually move on to this part here and give this a nice wipe down. And then, to put it back, just line up the red dot with the empty circle and then go clockwise to the circle, and now it's locked into place. So it's nice and straightforward, just anti-clockwise, put it down, clean it, red circle back to the empty circle, back over to the full one, and it's locked into place. Thanks for watching.